How to make WhatsApp linked device main device. Now what you can't do is you cannot simply promote a linked device to become the primary device. WhatsApp does not support toggling device roles. Only one device, which is the smartphone with your SIM card, can be the primary account host. Now to make a linked device your primary device is to back up your WhatsApp data on the current primary device via Google Drive or iCloud. And ensure your phone number is active on your SIM card. WhatsApp needs it for authentication. And then unlink or delete WhatsApp from the old primary device. Go to Settings, Link Devices on WhatsApp, and log out of all linked devices or uninstall the app entirely. Be aware that uninstalling WhatsApp from the old primary device logs out all linked devices, including the one you're hoping to promote. And then simply install WhatsApp on your linked device. Log in using your phone number, so use the same SIM card, and there you go. Simply start all over again, and that's gonna be your primary device from now on. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.